Good morning. Today we are going to study the single access tracking system. Practically, we are going to see the infrastructure for it, experimental setup for it. So, we already have theoretically seen during lectures single access tracking, dual access tracking, and MPPT. So MPPT stands for maximum power point tracking. So in single axis tracking, we mean solar panel try to track the sun from east to west direction. So continuously we are following the sun. I mean, we make an arrangement of a panel in such a way that by connecting a motor to it, that as per the direction of the sun, our panel will rotate from east direction to west direction as sun travels. Okay, so that we can extract maximum amount of power. In dual axis tracking, we are trying to control the two axis, which is east to west and north south both. So there are two motors. One will govern east to west, other will govern northeast direction, north south direction, and both the motors are operated simultaneously so that sun will be tracked exactly. Okay, if any shadowing effect is there, then we try to trace the next higher intensity point nearby it. Okay, so there are some drawbacks if any shadow is there, cloud is there, but in that case necessary arrangement is done in the tracking, that if any dark spot has been found, then nearest highest intensity point is traced by the solar panel. Okay, so this is how the tracking is done. Let us start with the experimental setup. We'll go in detail with. It is starting, just a second. Okay, be ready with paper pen. You have to take down the readings here. Now see, this is the extreme east position as we have discussed. Now I will try to move it towards the west direction. So I'm pressing a switch here. Okay, so see, you can observe by. Now see, this is the extreme east position as we have discussed. Now I will try to move it towards the west direction. So I am pressing a switch here. Okay, so see, you can observe by pressing the switch we can make the motor on, and panel is moving. Panel is moving like this. Okay, so let us stop here. We'll take one reading. Okay, so take down the reading. So now your voltage is 14.11. So x coordinate has been changed. It is 30 degree now, and y coordinate is 6 degree. Let us operate the motor once again and observe the panel is moving. So see, this motor is operating, okay, and rotating. So it will give movement to the panel through this rod, and our panel is moving. Okay, let us stop and have one more reading. So now the voltage has been decreased. X coordinate has been changed. Is X coordinate is changed. It is 23 degree, and voltage is around 14 volt. Okay, let us have one more reading. So now radiations are changing due to the movement of the panel, and hence the power extracted from the solar are changing. Okay, now again panel is moving. So we'll set some position and we'll try to get some another reading with different x coordinate. So last time the reading was 14 volt. Now due to the change in position of the panel and sun tracking, it is changing. We are going in opposite direction to that of the sun. Let us have one more reading. Now see, in the next reading, your voltage is 12.87 volt. In the previous reading, it was 14 volt. So we are not tracking the sun, rather we are going in opposite direction. So solar extraction is decreased and we are getting less power. Okay. X coordinate you can observe 2 degree, Y coordinate 12 degree. So when your X and Y coordinates are changing, it means you are changing the position of the panel. So this is what the tracking is. Theoretically, we already have seen single axis and dual axis tracking. So let us have one more reading and we will try the another position of the panel wherein we are going in different direction of the sun. So ideally, whenever we put such kind of MPPT controllers and we have a rooftop solar system, that time we give a step size so that we can track the sun from sunrise to sunset, from morning to evening, and we can track the maximum amount of solar energy. Let us have one more reading. Okay. So here with this position of the panel, now very less amount of solar radiations are falling on it. So we can observe here, you can take down the next reading. Your voltage has been decreased now from 12 volt to it is 10.41 volt, and X coordinate is minus 15 degree, Y coordinate is 15 or 16 degree. Okay. So let us have one more reading wherein we will again observe the decrement in the voltage and decrement in the power extraction because of single axis tracking. In case of dual axis tracking, both the things we are changing. Okay. So this is the panel position. So this is the panel position wherein the voltage you can observe. Yes, this is one of the reading. You can observe your voltage is 8.97 volt. Okay, X coordinate is minus 23 degree and Y coordinate is 70 degree. So this is the last reading. So this is the way how we can perform the single axis tracking. Similarly, we can have a dual axis tracking also. In that case, you can have operation of both the motors, and panel can be moved in east, west and north, south direction. Okay. So you can move the panel in the southeast direction. You can move it from the northwest direction, southwest direction, or the northeast direction as well. So diagonally you can operate the panel. So this is how we have completed today's experiment. Thank you for today.